Hello everyone. Today we'll learn question answers of geography. The chapter we are going to cover is India physical features. Let's begin with very short answer type questions. What is known as the roof of the world? The Pamir Knot is known as the roof of the world. Which is the longest river in the peninsular India? Godavari is the longest river in the peninsula of India. What is the shape of the peninsular plateau? The shape of the peninsular plateau is triangular. Which is the largest delta in the world? The Sundarban is the largest delta in the world. Name the rivers which forms the largest delta of the world. Ganga and Brahmaputra forms the largest delta of the world. Short answer type questions. Name the physical divisions of India. The four physical divisions of India are the northern mountains, the northern plains, the peninsular plateaus, the coastal plains, and the islands. Write about the islands of the India. Lakshadweep Islands and the Andaman and Nicobar Islands are the two main island groups of India. In the Lakshadweep groups, Minokai is the largest island. The Andaman and Nicobar Islands is mountainous and are covered with thick forest. Long answer type questions. Compare the rivers of the Deccan Plateau with those of the Himalayas. The difference between the rivers of the Deccan Plateau and the Himalayas are as follows. Deccan Plateau rivers. These rivers originate from the central highlands. These rivers are rain-fed. Examples Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri, etc. Himalayas river. These rivers originate from the Himalayas. These rivers are snow-fed. Examples Indus, Ganga, Yamuna, etc. Compare the western coastal plains and the eastern coastal plains. The difference between the western coastal plains and the eastern coastal plains are as follows. The western coastal plains. It is narrow. Its northern part is called Konkan Coast and its southern part is called Malabar Coast. Backwaters are found in this part. The eastern coastal plains. It is broad. Its northern part is called Northern Sirsas and the southern part is called the Coromandel Coast. Fertile deltas are found in this part.